Hello there, my name is Valerie White Williams, and today I'm talking about the importance of keywords on YouTube. This is a lesson that a lot of people just don't get, because the way you are found on YouTube is by search. And let me rephrase that. The way you grow on YouTube is through search, because you can only have friends and family and clients. Once all those people join your channel, that's about it. People aren't going to find you unless your videos are found through search. I'm going to say that again. You need to be found through search, but the way you're found through search is by using keywords. And then the other strategy is having thumbnails that describe and show what your video is about. But so many coaches that I've seen across Facebook, I'm a member of many coaching program groups, private groups with a lot of coaches and consultants. And to be honest, what I see when they post some of their channels and their videos, because I always check, is most of them do not understand this concept. They think it's like Facebook, where you can put out a video and then all the people are going to see it. But that's not how YouTube works. The way you grow a YouTube channel is by people finding you with search. That's the only way. You can only post your videos on Facebook and get people to watch them or other social media, but that's the way you grow a YouTube channel, is you need to create content of what people are searching for, and then you need to label them with the correct keywords. That's how it works. So a lot of these coaches will say mastermind or group coaching call. That doesn't mean anything. That could be, the content could be quite good. They might be talking about manifestation or marketing, but no one's going to click on a video that says coaching call or mastermind or any of those things that mean nothing. The other thing a lot of people do is they put their business name in the title. No one cares. No one cares about your business name. They care about getting their questions answered through search. So for videos on YouTube, what you need to do is really think about, what is your video about? What are they talking about? For all those mastermind people or coaching call people, what are you talking about? Are you talking about manifesting? Are you talking about blocks to manifesting? Are you talking about marketing things, marketing techniques? That's what should be in your title, not mastermind or your business name. So say you have a roundtable discussion of people talking about self-worth and manifesting what you want in life. So you need to think about, okay, what is this content about? What are the things that people would be searching for to find this content? Because usually with these coaches, it's not that their content is bad. A lot of people think that, oh, I'm not doing good on YouTube, so I need to make better content. I'm talking about coaches and consultants and business owners. That's not usually the issue. They usually know what they're talking about and they're creating good content, but they're not being found because they're not labeling with the keywords. So back to my example of a manifestation, blocks to manifesting what you want. You are actually going to think about, okay, manifesting blocks. Here's a better title: how to blow through blocks to manifesting what you want, or manifesting what you want, 5 blocks that you can change now. So that would be a better title. Now, the way I always use is I put those titles into Google. I put them into Google and I see how many hits come up. And so it sees where there's popular. You also can go into Adsense. There's other places to test the popularity of those keywords. It's worth doing because that's how your videos are found. Now, it takes a little time. I'll be honest. If you just make good content, plaster it with some generic label, it's easier. But the whole point of YouTube is to grow. The whole point of YouTube is to grow a larger audience. And the way you get a larger audience is you need to have great keyword titles. Now, the other thing with keywords in the title, you also want to repeat them in the description. So the scores go up. So we're, say, blocks to manifesting. We'll just say that's actually going to be a keyword or keywords, keyword string. And then you also want to put them in the title. You're going to put blocks to manifestation, and you can use various combinations. In fact, more the better. Now the title is only so long, so you want to put the most important keywords in the title. But then as you go into the description, you can add various other related keywords to that primary keyword in the description. And the more those kind of keywords in the description, the score goes higher. When the score goes higher, you're more likely to be shown on search. That's how it works. And then you also have tags down below. So you can put tags in there. So the more the keywords that stack up will up what people are going to find when they search for that keyword string. That's how you're found. Now that's the first stage. The second stage is you better have a pretty rockin' thumbnail, because if you don't, you just have a bunch of people talking with nothing, you probably won't get clicked on. And that's another story. You need to have thumbnails that tell a story, and maybe would have that keyword on the thumbnail and not too many words. So there's a whole other video I can talk about thumbnails, because a lot of people don't get it either. Because yeah, so I'm not gonna go there. But right now I'm just talking about the keywords. So for every video that you make, you wanna think about, what is this video about? What's the primary keywords that we're speaking on or we're talking about? And of course, with this video, guess what? It's about keywords. So that's what I'm gonna put in the title. I'm gonna talk about keywords in the title and in my thumbnail and throughout the description. So think about your title for what people are searching for, which is also should be what your topic is about. What are you talking about? That is what goes in your title. Now, the other thing about titles is forget grammar. You don't need periods. Don't use punctuation marks. I don't even use commas, because those things slow down the search. This is not grammar class here, especially with titles. You just want to put in the key titles and the keyword strings that make sense on the title. You can use grammar and paragraphs in the description, but the title needs to have those keywords that you're honing in on. And I think once you get this, your channel will grow, because if you're not using these things, it won't. And don't waste time with your business name. That's bad. Your business name is already in your channel. It's going to be in your channel name. You don't need to duplicate that. And here's the deal. No one is really searching for your channel name. And if they are, they're going to find your channel. But it's basically, it's prime real estate on that title. The title needs to be only what's important to be on search. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. It's wasted space. All right, so I hope you understand the prime importance to using keywords in your titles and descriptions. It is the only way you will grow beyond your friends and family and clients. All right, so let me know if you have any experiences with keywords. And let me tell you, if you already have videos that have bad titles, you can change it. You can change it and make it better. In fact, if they're not doing well, change the keywords. And sometimes I've done videos at night and I'm trying to get my videos up, and I've gone in, if I see my videos aren't doing as well as I thought they would, I change it. I change the titles, because sometimes I get tired and I'm just like, I just want to upload this video. So if you have older videos that have great content, go back and think about what I'm telling you in this video. Get those keywords in the titles and throughout the description and the tags. Your videos will begin to do better. All right, love to hear about it in the comments. And also I want to let you know that I do have a free Facebook group called YouTube Success Strategies, and I do coaching and teaching in there, and it's free, so you can find all the information below in the description. All right, take care. Bye.